What's up guys, I'm vlogging for today's guys back with another video. How you guys doing today? Just woke up, so yeah, let's see what today brings. Hi. How you doing? Want a treat? Okay? Yeah. What's up, Soul?
You think you loved him after 4 months? In fact, love him. But...
Well, why don't we bring him out? Here he is. Here's Nate.
We had sex.
Stephanie, it's not fair that you push and pull me around like this. You have sex with me, you run back to him. And I could not see them go through that again.
Why did you call me, tell me, ask me to come back to you? Why didn't you call and tell me that you still love me and you want me to come back? And we talked and we told each other that, we wanted to get this mom and dad back together and be happy again. I know I made a mistake, and I know it's going to take time to trust me again, but I'm willing to do that. For the kids and for us.
So confused. I wanted that more than anything in the world. But being with her has made me realize a lot. I'm happy with her. Me and you never got along. We were never happy.
You know what? This is why I left you in the first place.
Hi. Hi. Look, oh great, another snowstorm. Oh, yep, just another snow day. So, yeah. So, yeah. What? Stay. I know. Stop. Stop all.
highest rate of radiation on this tiny, pitiful rock. And the fact they never tell you that when your hair starts to fall out with radiation poisoning, it's a secret with it. They'll never tell you that in the back door.
Send help. They're all dead.
This is the end of Cyber this record. Please don't take anything seriously.
Hey, who's that? Oh, what the hell? Well, yeah, just got finished cleaning my end table, but yeah, yeah, I'm not done this room, and far from it. So yeah, so yeah. Well, the nightstand is cleaned just for a few crumbs, but hey, that's gonna be for another day. And next project, I want to clean under the bed, but maybe tomorrow. And over there and all there. But yeah, yeah. So yeah. You guys enjoy this vlog ending now because slowly making progress on the room, but yeah, I continued cleaning up the room a bit more. So yeah, maybe tomorrow's project I would like to move my bed close to here somewhere so I can clean it and sweep under there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to keep positive.